Everyone dreams of their own house, where each family member could live in comfort, and the maintenance of which would not require excessive expenses. Comfort is assured by different systems, and we know which solution is the best for you. For heating your house, we offer to install an energy-efficient and reliable Mycond heat pump, combined with fan coils. Mycond heat pump is the best and most efficient solution for heating, air conditioning, and hot water supply in your house. This heat pump can work with radiators, warm floors, and fan coils. In winter, Mycond Arctic Home Smart Series heat pumps work in the heating mode at the temperatures down to -25 degrees and have advanced automation capabilities such as weather-dependent control, simultaneous management of 2 independent heating system circuits, anti-legionella function during hot water preparation and storage, correction of work via room thermostat, night mode and holiday mode, remote control from smartphone via internet. Heat pump's operation is controlled using a touch panel with English interface. You can control all the equipment parameters on a single screen. The best European components parts are used for this heat pump's production. The outdoor heat pump unit is equipped with an inverter compressor, low noise fan with an inverter motor, and a reliable control unit. It is important for everyone to find the equipment which matches home interior. We are offering everyone to choose their type and design of a fan coil. Besides, we can offer an individual design for a fan coil. Mycond fan coils of glass series are suitable for any interior. You can order your own individual glass panel design. These fan coils have a low noise level due to the fan equipped with an inverter motor. Fan coil thickness is only 130 mm. Equipment operation is controlled via touch panel on a smartphone. For rooms with an area exceeding 40 square meters, the ideal solution is to use the cassette-type fan coils. Mycond MCFK series cassette fan coil is the ideal solution for commercial premises. Mycond wall-type fan coil units will fit small rooms. These fan coil units have stylish enclosure design with an integrated information display. For rooms with the special noise requirements, such as bedrooms, Mycond Silent Series fan coils will be a perfect solution. We managed to reach the lowest noise levels for this type of equipment in Silent Series fan coils due to the inverter fan motor and noise-insulated enclosure. Fan coils have a stylish design with the minimum thickness of the enclosure, which is 13 centimeters. Equipment is controlled via built-in touch panel or using a smartphone. If you want to install a fan coil behind a suspended ceiling, we're ready to offer Mycond duct-type fan coil. A low-noise fan with an external pressure of up to 50 Pascal allows connecting a duct system and distributing the processed air through ventilation grills. A comfortable dwelling should undoubtedly have a ventilation system with heat recovery. Mycond air handling units will fill your home with fresh and clean air. Mycond ventilation system is installed in a technical room behind a suspended ceiling. The ventilation duct system supplies fresh air, removing pollutions from each room. Air is distributed through the installed inlet and exhaust diffusers or grids. Mycond MV series air handling units consist of a noise-insulated enclosure, a built-in high-performance Ethyl-P-type heat exchanger, filters and multi-speed fans. The equipment is controlled using a touch panel. The automation system has a wide range of options for customizing and managing the optional equipment. Due to the efficient heat exchanger, at an outside air temperature of -10 degrees, you can increase the temperature of air supplied to the room up to 20 degrees. For this, there is no need to use any additional energy source to heat the air. Comfortable humidity level in the room should be within the range of 40 to 60%. You can get the desired humidity level in winter using Mycond steam humidifiers. Mycond duct-type humidifiers are installed directly into the inlet duct of the ventilation system. Humidifiers performance from 0.5 to 6 kg of steam per hour. Due to the duct structure and small dimensions, you can install a humidifier behind the suspended ceiling in each room. As a result, you will not only save costs regarding equipment operation, but also will be able to maintain individual humidity in the rooms of your home. Mycond steam humidifiers of MHDN S series are designed to work with duct fan coils or internal units of duct-type air conditioners. Humidifiers performance from 0.5 to 3 kg of steam per hour. You can install this humidifier in each room within the duct unit of an air conditioning or heating system. This will allow maintaining the individual humidity in the premises and saving on operation. We know how to maintain a microclimate in the premises with a swimming pool. Installing Mycond wall-type dehumidifier is a reliable and cost-saving solution. MBA series dehumidifiers have the performance of 53 to 103 liters per day. One dehumidifier can maintain humidity level in the pool with a water surface of up to 35 square meters. The narrow enclosure with a white or black glass panel creates an unrivaled stylish dehumidifier design. The device is controlled using an inbuilt touch panel. As for this type of equipment, the dehumidifier has a very low noise level during its operation. Mycond duct dehumidifiers are a comprehensive solution for maintaining humidity in the pool, ventilation and air purification. Dehumidifier is installed in a technical room and is connected with the pool premises by a network of air ducts. Dehumidifier's operation is managed via the controller installed in the premises of the pool. Mycond dehumidifier with ventilation and air purification function has 3 G4 and F7 filtration classes, as well as an antibacterial HEPA filter of class H18. An ultraviolet lamp and air ionizer are built into the dehumidifier. A comfortable home is a smart home. Smart Mycond thermostats can control the work of both electric and water-heated floors. Mycond thermostats have an unrivaled touchscreen design. The thermostat panel can be white or black. It is also possible to order your individual panel design. The thermostat has many useful settings that will help you save costs on your home heating system operation. These thermostats are easily connected to the smart home system, and some models have a Wi-Fi control available from your smartphone. You can control the operation of duct fan coils and floor convectors via Mycond control panels. Control device configurations can be set via black or white touch panel. Mycond control panels allow to manage both 2-pipe and 4-pipe fan coils. It is also possible to smoothly control the work of the floor convector inverter fan due to the signal 0-10 volts. These control panels can be connected to the building dispatching system, and their work can be managed from your smartphone using Wi-Fi.